Patuloy ang ginagawang rehearsals para sa isang theater production sa Vancouver kung saan sentro ang ilang aspeto ng kulturang Pilipino, pati na rin ang colonial mentality.
Ako po pala si Mela, ang #1 sous chef ni Chef Maximo Cortez.
Sentro sa lasa ng imperyo ang pagluluto ng rellenong bangus, base sa recipe ng isang kababayang sous chef. Pero sa gitna ng iba't ibang mga paraan kung paano ito niluluto, ikinukwento rin ni Sous Chef Mela ang kasaysayan ng Pilipinas.
Pero throughout the show, may parang history lesson about, Filipino colonialism, American imperialism, lahat ng history ng Philippines and how we've become the culture that we are today.
Itatanghal ang kabuuan ng theater production sa Filipino. Pero magkakaroon din ito ng subtitles o English translations na makikita sa isang projector. Base ang kwento nito sa isang English script na sinulat ni Filipino-Canadian Giovanni C. na isinalin sa Filipino.
What is different is that it's translated by a woman, so you're going to see it from that lens, as well as this show is now in Tagalog. And how exciting is that to reclaim the Tagalog language? Because this was in English originally, but to have someone speak Tagalog and cook this very, very Filipino dish, I think is going to go full circle, and a lot of people are going to leave the theater feeling satisfied.
Tumulong ang lead actress sa pagbuo ng nasabing script. Nagsimula ang proyekto at translation nito 5 taon na ang nakararaan.
So nag-start kami mag-adapt ni Giovanni C. noong 2019. So pumunta kami sa Quebec, sa Glasgow Translation Residency. Dun talaga nag-start lahat ng trabaho namin.
8 sold-out shows ng Lasa ng Imperyo ang itatampok sa Push International Performing Arts Festival mula January 30 hanggang February 8. Ito ang kauna-unahang Filipino performance sa kasaysayan ng festival.
We sold out 2 weeks before opening, which is huge in history-making for our company. We have about 50 seats, I believe, inside the theater, and it's a very intimate but very intense space to experience the cooking, the smells. So, of course, a lot of people would want to come in and see what's cooking.
Umaasa ang mga performer ng sold-out show, mas marami pang mga Pilipino sa Metro Vancouver na mahikayat pasukin ang mundo ng teatro.
Sana naman ma-experience ng ibang mga Filipino artists na merong representation para sa kanila, na merong place para sa kanilang artistic endeavors.
Teresa Barrera, Omni News, Vancouver.